Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to show you something in Vegas Crime Simulator. So, right now, what I am going to do is, okay guys, today I am going to show you something. I haven't discovered it yet, but this is like so cool. This might be a short video. And yeah. Okay, that was an accident. I'm kind of a bad driver in this game. So if you looked at my last video, I packed a few players, like, I think I packed a legend maybe in the foot draft simulator. So, stairs. Okay, so today I am going to be going inside a helicopter. So basically, one day, well, not one day, today, I was just driving the car here in some car, and I crashed, and I tried to get back on the road to go around, and then I saw a helicopter, and then I'm like, ooh, what's this? I'm going to explore, and then I saw a tank. I'm like, oh look, that's cool, I found a tank, and then I went back after I died, and then I found a helicopter. It's pretty cool. Now I'm moving through the sky, shooting stuff and people. Also, guys, the kind of bad thing is that you can't shoot the tank and blow it up. I don't know why, but you just can't. You can only blow up people and cars. Somehow. That's all you can blow up with this. So now we are just going to blow up that. I like shot it and it. I'm going to shoot this car. Okay, well that's it. Oh my god, there's a servo. I'm going to shoot it. Okay, guys. Okay, so my ammo is reloading. Ooh, God. So guys, I am going to go down a little and shoot this fancy car. I don't know. Get out of here. Bam. It's so fun just shooting these stuff. I'm like shooting fancy cars. Ah. Gotti. I think I hear like some police coming. Guys, so, ooh. Another servo. I have no clue where the police are. Where's the police? I see no one. Oh, sorry guys, I don't know what happened there. But now we are going to go shoot that pink car. Oh no, we already killed it. Right now we are going to shoot that person. Oh, he died. I think there were like some police here. And like there's like a helicopter pad, but it's so hard to land on, guys. Look at this. Oh my god. Look at this. Like, how do you land? And then you get out. I mean, I guess I landed it, but and now you get in. Like, this makes kind of no sense. Like, look at it. Like, you can't even land it in that helicopter landing pad. Like, what the heck? I'm going to go now and explore and see if there's like other stuff. I mean, like, I don't know, nah. Okay, guys, so like you can fly over the sea, but you'll go nowhere. So there's kind of like no point of doing that. Oh, and there is the tank, guys. We are going to go shoot it, just so I can prove my point that you can't blow up the tank. I don't know why. But here, just to prove my point, here. You go down, bam. Oh my god. And also, I have another FIFA pack opening video, and I said I would upload it in America, but I finally got Wi-Fi from my uncle, so yeah. See, the tank is like indestructible. Unless you literally go and like shoot it. Come on, stupid tank. Okay, we're going to get out of here. Woo! We're going to shoot. Oh god, okay guys. So we blew up. Oh my god. Okay guys, that was kind of fun. we blew up on impact. So guys, now we are going to go find the same thing, except this time we're taking the ambulance. We got hurt. No, I'm kidding. Okay, ooh, there's a Prenuda. Some fancy car in this game. This thing's turning is so bad. Like, what is up with this thing's turning? Oh, there's the Prenuda! No. So guys, I think we accidentally killed the cop. Now we are taking this like fancy car, I guess, and throw that dude out. So guys, I need to talk. So I like failed making this video like 3 times, and one time I stole a car, and you know what happened? So I stole the car, and when I threw somebody out, a car came by and ran right over him. Like, no joke, man. He ran right over him. Oh my. So guys, I have no clue how we, oh my. What? How is that even possible? What the heck? How is that even possible? That made no sense there, guys. How is that even possible? That made no sense at all. Guys, that literally made no sense at all. What? Who's shooting me? Why are you shooting me, man? Oh my, come on. Oh, here's someone who's shooting me. Bam! I killed you. You're trying to kill me. It's kind of fun just running over people. I barely even touched that dude. How did he die? Oh, whatever. Running over. That was fun. Cops, I am running away from you. Do you hear that? I am running away. And I'm going to take a helicopter and kill you. So, everything's settled, right? Thanks. Thanks for letting me escape, dude. Like, what was that? Just because I crashed doesn't mean, like, I'm going to stop all the way. Dang. This is fun. Okay. Okay, guys, so I'm going to go over this bridge and see if I can get it from here. Make yourself from Everton. Yup. Okay, guys. Game's glitching out. I don't know why.